Session 20. Bub Family. Bub's Submarine Quest. In a forest, there lived a curious cub named Bub. One day, Bub found a golden key near a lake. The key unlocked a magical submarine. Bub hopped in and set sail. The submarine, called Subra, had buttons and switches. It could do anything Bub wished. He explored an underwater city, Submarine, and met a wise octopus named Reuben. Bub's favorite moment was meeting Jubal, a singing whale. Jubal's tunes made the sea calm. Bub's heart swelled with joy. After a wondrous journey, Bub returned home. He shared his adventures with his family, who listened with awe. As night fell, Bub dreamt of more exciting quests and the knowledge he would uncover. Now answer these questions. You can answer these questions in the comment box below. Question 1. What did Bub find near the lake? Question 2. What was the name of the magical submarine? Question 3. Who was the wise octopus Bub met? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share World Pointer.